Here is the CRAFTSMAN 2-stage snowblower, powered by a 208cc 4-cycle OHV engine. In today's video, I'll be doing a product overview, so if you're interested, stay tuned, and we're going to get started with the controls. This snowblower is self-propelled, has 2 reverse speeds and 6 forward speeds. The shoot head is controlled by this lever, allowing you to shoot the snow as close or as far as you need. The shoot control allows you to control the snow flow with 200-degree rotation. The left handle lever activates the auger, while the right activates the driving gear that you have selected. This right here is the gas tank. And up here where the orange lid is where you put the oil, allowing for easy oil replenishment. In order to run this machine, you need to insert the key. You have your slow to fast throttle control here and your priming button here. The choke is controlled on top by this choke control. Its push button electric start eliminates pull starting a cold engine, saving you time and energy on a freezing morning. It also has a pull cord just in case you are near a power supply. The strong serrated steel augers cut through the snow to clear pathways faster for some time savings, while the 2 shear pins will save your blower if it gets bound up on anything. The 15-inch airless tires are maintenance-free and will never go flat. The deep treads gives you traction in all snowy terrains, allowing for better control. As you can see here, it eats the snow and throws it with ease, while the tire drives it forward into the snow. A 24-inch clearing width and a 21-inch intake allows for snow to be cleared quickly, saving you time. It includes an LED headlight providing you greater visibility in low light conditions. It also comes with this stick to clear any jams that may occur, but be sure to have the machine off while you're doing this. Once again, this is the 24-inch CRAFTSMAN 2-stage snowblower powered by a 208cc 4-cycle OHV engine, self-propelled and push-button start. Well, it's time to blow this off and put it away till the next snowfall. I hope you liked this product overview, and thanks for watching.
Well, everyone, that's it for this video. If you want to see more like this, click here or here. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe at the bottom. I'll see you on the next one.